Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop on this fine fire truck all Friday. Nobody works, nobody gets hurt. And to boot, it's new tool day, what everybody's been waiting for. Except maybe that fella taking a shit in the corner. I'm assuming those are grease stains on your overcoat. A goodly pocket knife is worth its weight in gold, as priced by these Ken Onion design ones. I also got a Cy Swan one time as a gift from a baby doll. I happened to go back to him and ask if he could make Dew Claw one. It cost me 900 bucks. Well worth it. The only thing is about good knives is you got to take care of them and you got to sharpen them, which is fine. Every now and again you get the hankering to sharpen a knife and it feels nice in the hand. However, most of the time it's a pain right in the cunning linguals. Stone two birds with the one bush. It's got the snap-off blades. The snap-off blades. Huh? Always sharp. This is the bigger 25 millimeter brother. A little bit, well, it's a little heavy duty for that dainty finish work. So we got the 18 millimeter here. It takes the Olfa blades. Sharp, stiff as a wedding prick, and you can finish it however you want. There's nothing better than making cool shit and putting it on Tinternets. Especially, you get to make this as your own kit, and it's imbued with your own good juju. You made it. Got a link up here on the doobly-doo and so forth over to the shop. Expensive as shit, because you're worth it. They'll be here in time for Christmas if you pre-order now. That's part of the deal. This is what we get to see how many we need to make, and that way we can get them out the door. The pre-order helps me out immensely, keeps the budget troll at bay, so we keep making cool shit, putting it on Tinternet. Now, this is a brutalist design you'll have forever. Oh, special feature here, the faded out castellations, fore and aft. Also stiffened up the mid because it's a little bit smaller in the hand. We wanted to make sure it was girthy enough. Slick as snot on a doorknob, partner. Yeah. Okay, get you some. Because the fella, he bought 3. One for him, one for his brother-in-law, one for his father. They built them together. They finished them together, sitting around the kitchen table. Had a great idea to flame harden them. Not flame harden them, flame oxidize them to get some different patina. Beautiful, beautiful idea. And these don't come from a factory overseas. They come from a dude. Beautiful straw bronze. Look at this beauty, a Bonnie and a joy forever, not this. Perfectly serviceable tool you buy in the factory. Oh, buddy, where did you get that knife? Oh, this? I made it myself. My daughter, my girlfriend, my wife gave it to me for Christmas. Got it in my stocking. Fuck me running, partner. No factory, no HR department, just a bunch of bumblefucks in the shop getting together for a chortle and a chuckle. What wizardry have we invoked that betwixt the 1.5 million of us here, we made the coolest fucking knife on the planet?